Hey guys, Best One here with another Clash Royale video. Just hopping into some games. Alright, so we got our first match right here against King. So yeah, let's see what this guy's running. I'm gonna give him the good luck. I think I'm just gonna cycle my... okay. Cycle the electric spirit, but he goes Hog Rider instantly at the bridge with a firecracker. So that's good, I guess. Try to quick my jumps, I'm just gonna log. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. That's not good. So he baited out the Tesla with the Hog Rider, and he goes Evil Giant at the bridge. He also commits arrows, so I think I'm gonna expo opposite because it seems like he's low on elixir. Cause that was 10 elixir at the bridge. Eight skellies. Ooh, let's go. We got the timing down. Mini Pick is dead. He doesn't have enough elixir. Gonna go Electric Spirit from the back. Hold this lock as long as I can. Getting so much damage. Okay, hold up. Expo's still healthy. Gonna... oh, never mind. I was gonna... oh, let's go look at the tower. That should take out the firecracker. Yeah, he was just a little bit too aggressive. I mean, it was good that he baited out the Tesla with the Hog Rider, but I think the arrows was just a little bit of too much of a commitment. So I'm gonna protect my archer with the knight right here, and then cover log for something. Oh, he has witch. Okay, so I'm just gonna fireball the witch. I don't know if that's good or not. His Mega Knight too. Okay, I have to. And then Skellies, and then maybe the Electric Spirit done everything. Oh, that was so good. Okay, now a knight here. Oh wait, maybe I didn't need a knight. Okay, he's either gonna go Hog Rider or E-Giant. But since he hasn't gone E-Giant yet, he's probably setting up for it. Ooh, okay. I think I'm just gonna go Archers here. He might arrows, which is fine, because it won't kill. At least not yet, because it bounces. I'm not live yet. I think I'm just gonna go Defensive Expo, because I have the lead. And, yeah, exactly. And yeah, so basically all I have to do now is just full defend, and then I win this game. So I'm gonna stack archers on the left at 10. I think I'm down at this because he went Mega Knight when I wasn't at 10 yet. I think I was at 6. Okay, he did Tesla here. Alright, I'm good game. Let's go. First game, first dub. And I got a golden chest. That's cool, I'm gonna collect some cards. And then open this daily task real quick. I guess it was alright. Collect these wild cards real quick. Yeah, okay, going in another one. Alright, so it looks like we're up against Nikolai here. He gives me the good luck, so I'll give it back. And then I think I'm just gonna split archers. That's usually a good play. I can't really get punished for that. Okay, if I had Expo in my starting hand, I would definitely go Expo opposite, but I don't, so I have to full defense. I'm gonna protect this archer with my knight, and he doesn't have any dagger. That was actually a pretty good stuff there. Oh, Tesla. Oh, I didn't pull the Hog Rider. Oh wait, that fire was actually really bad. I don't know if I can punish that. I think I'm up elixir because that fireball was bad. So I'm gonna Expo at bridge because it doesn't have giant skeleton cycle. Oh, showtime! Maybe I can fireball. Nah, I gotta let the Expo go. I was gonna try to pull the knight out of range with my knight, but he did go wizard on the Expo. Let that go. It does get one hit, but it's fine. So now I know he has giant skeleton, wizard, knight. Fireball. So, well, I'm leaking. Skeleton army, yeah. Skeleton army. I think I'm just gonna, no, I'm gonna log. Yeah, he just logs back. I think I'm gonna split evil archers from his back. Because I guess he doesn't have, he has fireball. So I just want to give him fireball value on the tower. He can still fireball, which would kind of be aggressive. Fireballing, but he does fireball. Protect the wizard with archers. But I still got a lock, so that's fine. I'm gonna log fireballs. I can expo again actually. Because he fireballed. Okay, I have to let that go because it's evil. I mean, I guess I could have fireballed. Yeah, I think that would have been aggressive. So I'm gonna knight in the back. Oh, that's an evil. That's an evil. So I'm gonna keep that evil. Try to DPS this knight down. It does work out. He logs, but I'm just gonna go expo and split archers here and also knight. He does giant. Oh, that wizard's dead. He has no elixir. Expo's in the tower. Hold up. Cooking. He has a tornado. Wait, I can expo again. That was kind of a bad tornado because it didn't kill the expo. I can go knight again. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, the Hog Rider jumped and he retargeted. This game, he's laughing. He's mad. Let's go. We're laughing back. And we're getting another dub. 2 games, 2 dubs. Let's go. We're hyped up. Let's get it. Ooh, a tower troop test. Let's see what we get. I think we get a lot of daggers. Yep, exactly. So, ooh, I got 2 of them. Okay, that's clutch. That's just pretty lame. And yeah, so we're just gonna go in another one because I'm feeling good, you know. Just wanted to record some games and doing pretty good. So yeah, we're up against Cam. We're just gonna give him good luck. So he's playing. Nice cycle skill. He's in the back. Goes Ice Spirit with a Knight. So this could be 3.0, could also be Hog Rider. Could really be anything. Let's just go Knight. Since he has goblins, since he went goblins at the bridge, I immediately assumed it was going to be Hog Rider. So I'm going to fire with that Firecracker because that's going to get chip damage on the tower. And it might have been a bad fireball, but I just wanted to get that Firecracker off the board as soon as possible. And if he has Earthquake, this could be a really tough matchup, but we'll see what we can do. I feel like logging that. Oh wow, nice! I clipped the. Oh, I don't have test in the cycle. That's actually a really good Hog Rider because it forces out an expo and defense. But if I play this correctly, this also could turn into an offensive expo. So I'm gonna go Electric Spirit over here so if the Firecracker shoots the Electric Spirit. And maybe we get a lock. Oh nope. Okay. He's either gonna let this go or go Hog Rider. Okay, he lets it go. So I'm gonna cycle Skellies. Actually, no, not yet. I think I'm up elixir. So I think after log I have expo. I'm gonna archers in the back. Skellies. And then I test them. Ooh, the log clipped the Firecracker. That's good. And then we're gonna go Knight. Oh, that did not hit the tower. That's so good. The evil archers to snipe this Firecracker because it's being annoying. The arrows doesn't really do much. Evil archer's dead because Dagger Duchess is OP. Now he could cycle back to a Hog Rider and that would be good because I don't have Tesla. So I'm just gonna cycle back to Tesla so he doesn't outcycle me. I need to start pressuring so they can't let him keep doing this. So I'm gonna go Hog Rider goblins at the bridge, and I think I'm gonna go Expo right here. Pressure while defending, just to see if I can work with some elixir. He has an Inferno Tower, so I'm just gonna let that go because I have to defend. I don't have enough for this Tesla second. Maybe get a small lock. Okay, I got a small lock, but that firecracker's gonna shoot the tower after it hits the walls. I'm gonna log this I'm gonna go Expo. One tower to the right. He's gonna Inferno Tower. He misclicked the Inferno Tower. Wait, hold up. He has to put something else down. Oh, Fireball Arrows just absolutely deletes this. So I'm gonna go Electric Spirit to cycle back to my Expo. He's low on Elixir, so I can just do this. I don't think he's back to Inferno Tower, so we have to do something else. Gonna Electric Spirit here to cycle back to my Expo. Expo to the right, so it doesn't. The Inferno Tower doesn't reach Expo. And then we go Knight. That was coming back. It's fine. He's gonna Fireball and the arrows. But if Expo's on the tower, kind of wasted that Tesla. Now he's gonna go Hog Rider, and I think I lost. That was a really bad Expo. I mean Tesla. Oh. So I made some mistakes. I played kind of aggressive, and yeah. All right, let's just go in and do another game. So we're up against UKI90. He gives the good luck back. Archers in the back, and he goes Ice Wizard. So this could be Splash Yard, could be Ice Bow, could be I don't know what else it could be actually. Oh, Golden Knight. That's interesting. I haven't really seen him on Golden Knight. I think I'm just going to test him and I'm not really in a good opportunity to go Expo, so I'm just going to Skillies over here. Nice, we got it off. And I think I'm going to go Expo because that was kind of a waste of one Elixir, so it's going to happen. I'm not going to commit because I just want to see what he has. Okay, E-Giant. I think I'm gonna go Knight on the Ice Wizard. Or Electro Jolt right now because it's a work card. That's gonna cause a lot of damage. That was really bad. That was really bad.
Don't call me a prince.
Hold on. Let's see. I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna cycle this guy like that. I'm gonna Fireball the Firecracker. So I definitely have to go opposite lane in this matchup because it's just gonna give him pretty much a free E-Giant if I go Expo in the same way. So I'm gonna use the ability, so I'm gonna Knight over here. Well, I guess it takes out the archers. I'm gonna Expo opposite because it's gonna force out an E-Giant. Well, he doesn't have enough elixir for it on time. I'm gonna Tesla to hit the E-Giant while it's on the tower. Go Evo Ice Spirit. I haven't seen it. He's gonna abilities. I'm gonna Knight. E-Giant doesn't get to the tower. I think I can Expo again because I don't think he's back to E-Giant, and if he is, I don't think he has enough elixir. Oh, he has a cannon. Okay. Please do something. No. Okay, that's a dead Expo. Alright, that was pretty good defense by him. Gotta give it to him. So I think the Ice Wizard is gonna die because the Dagger Touchers is strong. And then the archers are gonna be split in the back. I'm gonna Fireball the Firecracker. Ooh, nice Fireball down. And then he already hits the ability, so I'm gonna go Knight. And then set up a defense with an Evo Tesla. See what he does. He could go E-Giant in the back if he does. I was gonna say if he goes E-Giant in the back, we'll just Expo the bridge. But he didn't, so I'm gonna set up a full defense here. I'm gonna go ahead and Fireball this. Probably has a Fireball, but I just gotta get that Ice Wizard out of here. And oh yeah, we are winning, so I guess I could just defend the rest of the game, but I think I kind of have to be aggressive. I can't really let him do all that. So yeah, that offensive flow was just to force out the injury. That way he's here on the tower that he wants to enter. So I'm gonna go Skellies. I wasn't really paying attention to see if he wants to Lydia. Touch damage. Oh, the Evil Archer stayed alive, so he can Tesla up high. I knew he was gonna do that, that's why I did the Tesla. But it was kind of bad because the cannon's still there. So I'm gonna log and then Skellies, maybe Electro Spirit. No. Okay, that was kind of not as good as. I don't know why he would blow Ice Wizard back on the tower. And I hit the golden knight. I'm gonna go knight up high because it's gonna put the biggest damage exactly. And archers, high Tesla, Electro Spirit, Fireball, all the way. And then knight or Skellies. So I thought he was gonna go cannon. I'm gonna predict the cannon with the knight. Yup, I got it off. Now we're gonna go archers. And hold the golden knight for 3 targets at least. I have to. That was a bad test. No. Wait, hold on. I think I'm gonna actually sell it. Fireball. Ice Wizard. And Heavy Junk's dead. X-Ball's it. And I'm gonna predict the cannon with the Skellies. Archer's Wizard. Barbara. Archers. That's within the tower. Ice Wizard. Yeah, like I said, I would have full defended, but yeah, so much high DPS and like tanking stuff, so I couldn't really do that. I had to pressure, and it worked out. So that's a win, and we're 3-1 in this video. Let's go for one more. All right, so we're up against DXV, and he had Electro Wizard, P.E.K.K.A, and Battle Ram in his banner. So I can only assume that this is P.E.K.K.A bridge spam. I'm gonna archers in the back. I don't know if I can fireball that still. I'm gonna try to activate King Tower. I guess that's a good play. Okay, activate the King Tower. Knight to match his Electro Wizard on the opposite lane. And then he's gonna. Okay, that's actually kind of a good bandit because wasted my knight for the Electro Wizard. Is it still gonna jump? No, it doesn't. Okay, wait. I'm gonna expo. He probably has P.E.K.K.A, but it's fine because it's just forcing out Elixir. And I think I have to test it for the power. And I'm gonna let that go because that's a dead Expo. Plus, I misclicked the Expo. There's supposed to be one tile back on the Skellies because he used the he used the zap on the Expo, which he didn't really have to since it was already targeting the P.E.K.K.A. And then he didn't have the zap for the Skellies, so that was pretty easy defense. And I don't know if he's back to Battle Ram. He's definitely not back to P.E.K.K.A, so I'm gonna knight here. Oh, never mind. I was gonna go Expo, but I don't want to go Expo into a knight. So I'm gonna go Electro Spirit. I'm gonna fireball once it dashes to the. Oh, I missed. Oh no, I hit it. Let's go. I'm gonna Skellies here. And then that should full defend. I could go Expo, but I think he's back to P.E.K.K.A. So I'm just gonna split the evil archers in the back. And then I'm gonna... Double's almost up, so I'm gonna test in the middle for this battle ramp. Should pull. Okay, he poisoned. I'm gonna go Expo. That was kind of aggressive. He does get the P.E.K.K.A down, which is fine. And knight. And then Skellies. Archers. Zaps, okay. Electro Spirit. I'm gonna log. X was on the tower. Let's go. Wait, I think I'm just gonna let that battle right. Alright, I'm gonna let that X go. And then Evil Tesla to pull everything in. And stun absolutely everything. And then I think after this Electro Wizard dies, I'm gonna go in again. Because I don't think it's back to 3. Oh, he is. Never mind. I'm gonna fireball the firecracker as soon as possible. It's gonna get damage. I'm gonna Skellies. Oh, that was not. Actually, that was bad to set Skellies because the tower did not target the Skellies. So I'm gonna leave this was late, but I think it's fine. Archer's here. I'm gonna log the firecracker. Should kill it once the tower targets. I'm gonna explode my defense. Oh wait, he has poison. Okay, that's fine. He didn't poison the tower that he already has more damage on, so that's good. My skills are bandit. Okay, that was late. This should be fine. An electro spirit. I didn't really need electro spirit, but I think it forces out something. Yeah, battle ram. Okay. I'm gonna test up high. He's probably gonna try to snipe the firecracker or something. Give me electro wizard. No, don't get it off. That's fine. The evil archer should snipe this firecracker, but I'm just gonna log it. The electro wizard should die. I'm gonna dash the archer, skills for the bandit, and then test up high just to keep defending, and also it sets up an offensive expo if I want to. I know archers split in the back, and then knight up top. I'm gonna resolve okay, I'm gonna skills for the knight, and then expo. He's in a P.E.K.K.A, which is fine. Poisons, okay, but it does not poison the towers, so that's even better. And I'm gonna second hopefully perfect timing. And then these all archers to the side. Oh, then it went to the archers. Gonna expo. Oh, I missed the expo. Does that hit? No way! Fireball last second. Log. Wow, that would have been so bad if I lost that. But let's go with got the dub. Rub it in. So that's gonna be the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. If you did, please leave a like and comment. Just like a hi or something. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And peace out.